How to fold the conversion bench. First, walk up to it. Use your left foot and place it on the bottom left of the bench. Now lift the seat. Now place your foot on the seat. Make sure you place your foot in the middle of the seat. Pull up on the seat, like this. I walked backwards while I was pulling up, so it turned to a picnic table. When you are done with it, lift the seat up, like this, and walk forward. There you go. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. Bye.